Jai Shri Krishna, all of you. If the peoples you are in their bad time and you think that you lose all over the things and now there is no hope to do something bad good in the life, then definitely this video is dedicated for you and you can change your life holistically. I very confident that yes, you can change your life holistically. If you fail in any exam, just like IIT, G, NEET, UG, and any field whatever right now you are working. If you fail in the exam, then definitely you can be win their match. Yes, you have a potential win their match no matter what you think. If you have zero talent, then definitely you can win. If you have low confidence, low self-esteem, low belief, but yes, if you stick in the video till the end, then definitely you will win the match. Yes, that is a way you can get. So there is a two type of person. First is a Mr. Successful and second is a Mr. Unsuccessful. Yeah, failure. Then what is the thinking power of Mr. Successful and Mr. Failure? When then the obstacles come in their life, then definitely Mr. Failure says that okay, I cannot run, I cannot do anything. Now I don't have potential to do these things. Now I completely don't know what to do, don't know how to do, don't know what to respond from a particular situation, and that time he will be quit. Just like us in life. If we feel that we are Mr. X, then definitely these are same goes with our life. And if you think that what is the Mr. Successful thing, that time when he faced any obstacle, that time he says in himself that okay, I think this obstacle too hard for me, but I know that I will conquer it no matter what will happens. That is the attitude. How the Mr. Successful will win the lose match and how the Mr. Failure lose the winning match, because they don't know how to win the match. So that I will give you the two steps so that you will also change and also win the lose match. Yes, you think that yeah, bhaiya, I am so much depressed, I don't have the fight, I don't have a courage to fight with that. Now in condition, my condition is too much goes into the hell. I don't have too much energy and don't have too much confidence to will fight against. Then definitely please give me any story so that we will relate and we will be more motivated towards we will take the steps, because that time we don't have the courage, don't have the energy to take a step because our whole mental state has been down. And definitely this story, whatever I will tell you here is completely there. So pay your attention and listen very carefully. The story is about a person who decided who will make a okay, I will announce the name. That story of a Jack Ma. Yes, Jack Ma, who is founder of Alibaba. When they start Alibaba, that time definitely there is no internet. That time we think that okay, I will make a online world there. There will be shopping online and will transaction online. That is the whole over behind their all imagination. Right now the people exist. The people cannot think that okay, how what's the person, that person is very crazy. Maybe it's insane. No, he don't have any type of sense. There is no type of internet. The internet speed is so much low that time when Alibaba start their company Alibaba. That time first 5-6 years the turnover is zero. Yes, around zero. He never get any profit from particular Alibaba. That time, what do you think that how much the mental state of Jack Ma have? The Jack Ma maybe say that okay, that is not my cup of tea. Now I have to quit. That's the beyond my imagination and all those things. But he cannot do that. He says that I think it's not today. It's have a work. It's required too much work. I will put our works. We will help her. We will improve it. And after some time, More years have been gone, and after the 2020 or 13, Alibaba launched their company Alibaba website, and that time now you can see the histories. Alibaba is the China's first and highest revenue generate company, because what? The Alibaba turns her failures into success. The very simple and very common example you can take also the Elon Musk. Yes, Elon Musk when failed back to back their space rocket, that time he don't have the money to sustain, and there is the biggest challenge. Okay, now he have to sell their company because he don't have the resources, don't have the money to, so that he will sustain the company. Think that what is the kid, what is the mind of that time of Elon Musk? How was the suffering he goes from that particular situation? It's define what is the winner things and what is the loser things. There are the many chances and many chance of the Elon Musk. He can put that he can sell their company and get the money and so on. That he can do. But what will happen? He stuck with their goals and ambitions, and they says that no matter what will happen, I will prove that I can do it. And after that you can know the SpaceX, that is a brand. Yes, Elon Musk is the most creative person of the world. Now the more I don't have to tell about more so much about Elon Musk. You know much better than me. Another example you can take from the where let's take another example from the science. Yes, you can take another example from the now you can take another example from the science, the Thomas Alva Edison's. You can take another example sport genre, Messi, Ronaldo, athletes में अरुणिमा सिन्हा. They all are what they did. They are all their worst phase, but they don't accept it. They improve it, and after that they will be success. Think about the Bear Grylls. When they jump from the plane, that time the parachute cannot open, and then there are the manufacturers has been the spinal cord, and doctor says that he cannot never be stand on their foot. But you know that what will happen? Now the Bear Grylls take the picture of the motis and so much things. So the simple thing is that no matter what will happen, no matter how what is your failure right now, maybe you feel you're feeling your emotion says that yes it is very harsh to realize to bounce back. Yes, I think that I am also going from that particular phase, and right now I am also in that phase where I feel a lot. But what I can do, I cannot switch. Yes, no, I fuck off. I will go from this situation and I will do this thing. No, I have no other options. I have one option, that is my ambition, that is my goal, that is my responsibility, that is my choice. Then I can't say that that is not my cup of tea. That's now I cannot say that. I have to bounce back. I don't have other options. That's maybe you can think that you can say that sometime yes that is not cup of my tea, but not it is truth, yeah. I decided I can do. That is my goal, my ambition. Then that's whatever the side effect, that is my responsibility. I have to carry out from that particular situation, and I have to face this criticism, that failure. That is my responsibility. That is not a quality of a winner. If you fail, then definitely accept it. That is a winner quality, and you are a winner, not a loser. Think that about that. When you fail, then definitely you not fail. If you learn something particular situation, then definitely you will win. That is the bigger thing. If you think that you give any exam and you will fail, and then you think that I'll waste my whole day, definitely not. You don't waste your whole day. You learn a lot. Now, suppose there are the 100% requirement to crack the exam, and after you failing the exam, then definitely you will cross the 60 to 70% roadmap, there are only the 40 or 30% is remaining. Now it's a responsibility that you cannot quit. You have to put some efforts and you will go and you will cover up this 30% and you will be successful. If you goes and you will put your hard work of 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, then definitely there is no choice, there is no chance to switch the exam. Now your responsibility to put stuck on that particular exam and you will qualify that. Sometimes some people says that okay, that is not a cup of tea. Switch the exam, give up the but how can I say that? What my ambition is, what my goal is that. When I start first time, my mental state is. That is all. I cannot say that. That is, you know that very well. Then think about that. What is your motivation when you start the exam? Think about that. Give the motivation back from the particular situation, and after that you will get a courage. And now there are two steps you can use, and you can change your failure into success. First, accept it. Yes, whatever failure you did right now, accept it. Yes, you have did mistake sometime and you have don't take some topic serious. That is so that now you failed. Accept that yes, you have you do some mistake. Accept it. And second, introspection. Yes, now the time you introspect what you have done in the past. What is your mistake? What will happen when you give the exam? That all things will always keep you in your mind. And the bigger things, always believe in yourself. Yes, that is a common thing. Many people say that okay, believe on yourself, bro. Believe on yourself. Sometimes when we fail, that definitely that time belief system goes down and down. We cannot have the courage to push out the belief against. That time definitely our beliefs not the value. But that time definitely you have to courage that कि नहीं, I have believe I will clear the exam. Sometimes maybe harsh, but it is a reality. No one matters. If you crack the exam, definitely people say that your 2 year, 3 year preparation is worth it when you qualify the exam. No matter how it takes you time, that is your responsibility. Stuck with the exam and you will get it. And that is a simple way you can change your failure into success. Just first analyze, accept it, and second analyze introspection. That is the two way you can change your failure into success. Jai Hind.